The height of a cone is 30 centimeters. A small cone is cut off at the top by a plane parallel to the base. If its volume be 1/27th of the volume of the original given cone, then at what height above the base is the section made? It means, see, this is a cone, right? And I take a knife and cut it from here. Now the volume of this upper part is 1/27th of the total volume. Now I want to find what is the h from top. Okay, this is what we have to find. In fact, above the base is asked, so this h is not asked, this remaining height is asked. Okay, anyways, if you find one, other is simple. Okay, so what is given? V small equals to 1 upon 27th V big, right? V small, this small and big. Okay, now it's clear. V small equals to 1/27th of V big. So we have to find both. So 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Volume of cone is what? 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. This is small r now for smaller, and for bigger it is big r. So 1/27th into 1 pi upon 3 into r square, capital R square, into 30. Our focus is this h. Okay. So 1 upon 3 gone, and whatever you solve everything, and what you will get is r square h equals to capital R square into 30 upon 27, right? This remaining everything goes. So okay, now look at these two triangles, this big one and this small one. Okay, so they are similar triangles, right? Why? Which test? AA. See, this is a 1a is common to both the triangles, and this smaller right angle and bigger right angle. So AA test, they are similar. So capital R upon small r equals to 30 upon h, right? Because why? Corresponding sides of similar triangle are in the same ratio, right? So small r equals to what? Capital R into h upon 30. So input the value in 1. This is 1. So RH upon 30 the whole square into h, right? Equals to r square into 30 upon 27, right? So when you solve this, it becomes what? H cube over here, r square gets cancelled, and what remains? 30 cube upon 3 cube. So h cube equals to 30 upon 3 the whole cube. Therefore h equals to what? 30 upon 3. Then divide it, you will get 10. So h is 30, h is 10. But what we want it from the base, and total height is 30. So 30 minus 10 is 20. So the cut is made at 20 centimeter from the base, right? That is the answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis, and you'll